we are going to see how we can automatically scroll the images or any other tiles item inside a carousel view. So that's we're going to see it. There is no inbuilt or automatic property, but with the help of timer we can easily achieve this. Okay, so let's see. I have already added few of the image and I'm going to add a new screen. Okay, I've given any name. Okay, and now I'm going to add this. And now I'm going to app setting to change my page, starting page. Okay, let's add the control. Okay, let me give a name. Okay, also give some width. Okay, horizontal center, center. Now we have to, I'll add the image control here. Item template, then I'll have data template, then I'll have image control. Okay, sources, binding. Okay, fill to it. Okay, now let's go to put bind. Example is fine. Okay, now we have to create a list. Okay, view list. Okay, okay, so on appear we will start the timer, and on disappear we have to stop the timer, otherwise battery will drain out. So, and also we have to fill the list. Let me add here itself. png. I have added this image, so 2, 3 and 4. Okay, and what's the name we have given this for the CarousalView control? That item source is equal to img list. And one thing we have to remember, this position we have to mention. This is the trick. Position is itself is the trick to automatically scroll it. Okay, okay, now we're going to run the timer. Okay, so timer is equal to, let's press create timer. Okay, this is it is press timer. Okay, then also we have to register the event timer interval time from millisecond. This one, based on your requirement, you can change the timings. Okay, now timer dot tick. And then we'll start. Okay, on days appear, we'll unregister, stop the timer and unregister the event. Okay, what was the event? This. Okay, fine. Now inside this timer tick, we have to do a logic. So for iOS, basically we have to have we are updating the UI, so it has to have a inside a main thread. Begin invoke main thread. Okay, now what we have to do is we'll collect the current position P of the position. Okay, and then if the current position is equal to the list count, right? Okay, let's start from 0, so we have to give -1. If it is unequal to the current position, I mean if the last item is showing, then we have to assign back to the 0 one. Okay, position 0, else okay, that's all. Now let's see, let me run the application. So what we have done, we have created the timer. With the help of timer, we'll change the position. See, you can see automatically scrolling the images. Okay, so what we have done, with the help of timer, interval based on your requirement, you can change it. You can give here some circle dot dot dot, like which is viewing, then dot also you can do it here. You can add the design. So here the position is the main trick for the cursor view. If position 0, the 0 item is going to display. So with the help of timer, we are changing the position, so it's automatically scrolling, and you also scroll. Okay, and the XAML is very simple, nothing much. As per your requirement, you can change the design. So data template item, we are adding image. You can add here text as well with other control. Okay, thank you. Thanks for your timings. Thanks for your interest. Like my video, also subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. We'll come with next video.